Hello, friends. This is Social Studies, and we have a little test today, a little quiz today in Social Studies. So I'm going to pull up my screen and share it with you. And I want you to get Social Studies, page 99. It's called Plymouth, right here. And yesterday we read our pages 94 to 95. So today we're going to take a little quiz on those two pages. All right. So go ahead and give me a name and date. And tomorrow at this time, we'll be starting our first country study. That'll be fun. Hope I don't forget. If I do, but we'll make it up. Your mom sent me a text if I start to forget. Okay, name 20, or your name, and then the date, 1/21/21. Okay, and we read yesterday about the first Thanksgiving and about Plymouth. So here are the answers I want you to do. I'm going to read your choices first, then read the question, and you mark down the answer. You color in the best answer. The directions say mark the correct answer. Your choices for number 1 are Plymouth or Jamestown. And the question says, what was the name of the Pilgrims' colony? If you think it was Plymouth, color this circle. If you think it was Jamestown, color this circle. And the next question says, plenty to eat or not enough to eat? Those are your choices. The question says, what was the first winter in Plymouth like? I think I need a nap today. What was the first winter in Plymouth like? If you think there was plenty to eat, color in this circle. If you think there was not enough to eat, color in this circle. And our next choices for number 3, showed them how to grow crops or taught them to read the Bible. All right. And number 3 said, how did Squanto help the Pilgrims? If you think he showed them how to grow crops, color this circle. If you think he taught them to read the Bible, color this circle. Brings us to number 4. Your choices are Squanto or William Bradford. And the question says, who was the governor of Plymouth? If you think the governor was Squanto, color this circle. If you think the governor was William Bradford, color this circle. We've got one more on the test part. Your choices are Indians or the King of England. And the question says, who was invited to the first Thanksgiving? If you think Indians were there, color this one. If you think the King of England was there, color this one. All right. Go ahead and repeat the video if you need to get those last ones if you didn't finish. And then the next one says, write about how you celebrate Thanksgiving. Okay. I want you to write a sentence here, and I'm really going to pay attention to super on this. And here is the sentence I want you to write. We eat lots of food on Thanksgiving. Okay, let me say that again. We eat lots of food on Thanksgiving. Okay, I'll take it through. I'll take it with you. Here's how I want you to do it. The first word is We. We. How do you spell we? W-E. We. Next word is eat. I'm going to sound this out. Eat. Eat. You might know how to spell it. You may have to sound it out. Eat. Next word is lots. Lots. L-A-T. Lots. Next word is of. Of. That's O. It makes a V sound, but it's actually spelled with a F letter. We eat lots of food. That's spelled. Ooh, that's a double vowel right there. Duh. Next word is on. Aw. N. On. And the last word is Thanksgiving. I'm telling you, it's a big one. Very big word. But if you look up on that list, if you look up on the sheet, you can find the word Thanksgiving written somewhere up there. Begins with a th. Do I need you to spell it correctly? Absolutely, because it's right there. It's right up there. I'll even show you there. Don't forget your subject, your uppercase, your predicate, your end mark, and make sure you have all those spaces in there. Okay? Go ahead and rewind that video if you need to. Oh, we forgot to write test at the top. Let's write test so we don't forget that this is a test. Okay. And remember, if you ever don't have a paper, a work paper in your packet, just write it on a piece of lined paper. I put plenty in there for you. You'd be all good. All right, you are done with this. This brings us to Bible, and I'm going to stop the recording and set you up for Bible. See you soon.